ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 20, ಶ್ಲೋಕ 6. ಜಿತೇಂದ್ರದತ್ತಾಂ ಕಮನೀಂ ಜಯಂತೀಂ ಅಥೋದ್ವಹನ್ ಆತ್ಮರತಾಶಯೋಪಿ ಅಜೀಜನಃ ತತ್ರ ಶತಂ ತನೂಜಾನ್ ಯೇಷಾಂ ಕ್ಷಿತೀಶೋ ಭರತೋಗ್ರಜನ್ಮ. Word by word meaning. Atha then. Atma ratashayah api. Even though ever absorbed in Brahman. Jitendra Dattam, given by Indra, who had been defeated by thee. Kamaneem Jayanteem, beautiful Jayanti. Udvahan, marrying. Tatra Shatam Tanujan, through her 100 sons. Aji Janaha, thou didst beget. Yesham Agrajanma, the eldest of them. Kshitishah Bharatah, was King Bharata. Full meaning. Even though thou wert ever absorbed in Brahman, thou didst marry beautiful Jayanti, given by Indra, who had been defeated by thee, and didst beget 100 sons through her. The eldest of them was King Bharata. Note, it is after this Bharata that this country is named Bharatavarsha. Om Tat Sat.